Butane gas canisters have seen numerous designs and renovations over the years. World's first gas supply block-type temperature sensing valve, OJC Good Butane gas cartridge. We tested 3 different kinds of butane gas canisters in the same situation, where we used an oversized pan to show how dangerous other butane gas canisters can be. 1. Regular canister. First, a portable stove equipped with a gas can without any safety feature is tested with an oversized pan. The temperature and pressure continues to rise, and eventually, canister explodes. 2. Canister with conventional safety feature. Next, the stove is turned on using a canister with conventional safety feature with an oversized pan. The safety feature prevents explosion, but wild flames are spreading quickly everywhere because of the conventional type safety system itself. 3. OJC's Good Butane. We put the same oversized pan and ignite the stove. And the heat reflects off the pan, and the canister's temperature starts to rise. However, unlike the previous butane canisters, the stove is shut off itself this time. The safety pin of OJC's patented TS valve blocks the gas passage to prevent both the explosion and fire. If this were your home, Good Butane would be the only reliable choice. No worries about fires and explosions anymore. We'll keep you safe from explosion and fire. It starts working even when you don't notice the danger.